So I just got this box from Medalist, the complete health protection set, and we have several things inside. We have a hand sanitizer, we have an iodine silver, and we have 10 free masks with only $22. Let's check out what's inside. So first of all, we have the hand sanitizer. So we use hand sanitizer a lot these days, and I kind of afraid that it will dry my hand, my skin. Let's see how this one feels. It smells really good. It smells really fresh, like orange, and it feels soft. It feels like you have lotion, and that is good. Secondly, we have the ionized silver. And ionized silver kills germ and bacteria, so you can use it orally like this, or you can use it topically like this, directly into your skin. And you know, if you have wounds or scratches, it will heal faster. That's also a good thing. And lastly, we have the mask. So we have 10 of them, and they are 4 layers. So like I know that there are masks that are only 2 or 3 layers, but this one is 4 layers. And there's another thing that you can do. You can take the ionized silver and you can spray it on top of this mat like this. And you let it dry so that you can have a better protection, or you can use it longer. So yeah, that's it. I think this set is really helpful, and especially during this time. Yeah, stay safe.